Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so on the video before this one, I showed you how to make chicken broth. And now I'm going to show you how to make chicken and rice soup from that chicken broth. So I had some chicken breasts. I cut the chicken off the bone, and I showed you that video, 2 videos before this one, so that you know how to cut the chicken off the bone. And now we're going to actually show you how I picked the chicken off the bone after I made the broth, and now we have some free chicken, and I'm going to make chicken and rice soup with that with you. Okay, let's do it. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so here's our chicken broth that I made from the chicken bones. We're going to use that to make our chicken soup. Okay. So as you can see, I used 3/4 of this container. We may need the rest of it, but we're going to start with that. Alright, I'm going to turn the fire on. Alright, now I'm going to start. I cut up 1 onion, large onion, and put that in. And then I cut up 1 very large batata. Batata looks like this. It's a sweet potato. It's like an African sweet potato. It's called batata. Okay. So I have the batata here all cut up into cubes, soaking in lemon juice because it will turn a brown color if you don't. So I'm going to put that in. Okay, now that we have that in, we're going to add our carrots. I have some baby carrots, or you can use fresh. I didn't have any fresh, so I'm using the baby carrots. And I took them, they come long like this. And I cut them up with a knife so that I ended up with small pieces. Okay, I'm going to add that. So what I have to add later is the mushrooms. This is 4 large mushrooms. This is around a cup of corn. This is 3 handfuls of baby spinach. And this is the chicken that I picked off the bone from when we made the chicken broth. Okay, so we're going to let this get started first for about maybe 10 minutes or so. And then I'll come back and we'll add some more items. Okay? Okay, we'll be back. Thanks. Okay, so our carrots and onions and broth have been cooking for about 15 minutes. So the only other thing that I told you I was going to add, I didn't show you, is the tomatoes. So this is 2 small tomatoes cut up. I'm going to add that. Now I'm going to add the corn. And what I'm feeling for is to see how soft the patata is. So they're halfway soft. Alright, so that lets me know that I can now add my mushrooms. The chicken. This is the chicken that I picked off the bone from 6 chicken bones. I can clearly see I need some more broth. So I have the balance of my broth right here. I'm going to add that. I still have a little left. We'll see how this goes. And the spinach I'm going to put in absolutely the last minute. Okay, so let's start adding some seasonings. I have some garlic paste. That's about a half a tablespoon, a half of a heaping tablespoonful. Adobo light. So I'm going to add some red peppers. If you don't like your stuff hot, you can add hot peppers. Okay, that's about a tablespoon, give or take, of red peppers. That was red crushed peppers. Some granulated onion. Okay, let's let that come back up to a boil. And we'll be back. Okay, so let's check on our progress. Looking good. All right, I want to taste. Okay, I definitely need some more seasonings. So I'm going to add some celery salt. Some more onion, granulated onion. Now I'm going to add the spinach. This was 3 hands full of spinach. And I have a cup of brown rice already cooked. So everything is in now. We want to bring that back to a boil. Okay, I'm going to give that a few minutes. Okay, let's see. I'm going to taste again. Oh, that really tastes good. Okay guys, I think we're done. I'm going to plate up and show you. Okay, so here's our chicken and brown rice soup. Look at that. How about that? From the broth that we made from scratch. Let's see if I can pick this one up. Look at that. Okay, so let me taste for you. Okay? Before I give you the taste, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is start utilizing any leftovers you have, or figure out how you can make a meal just about whatever you have left over. Like today I showed you how to boil the chicken bones that that was left over from when you cut the chicken breast off the bone and make a meal. So start considering things like that, because food is very, very, very expensive, and it is going to start hurting your pocket, and you can prevent that by being very creative. Okay, and remember, you don't always have to have meat for every meal. You do have to have some meat in the course of a week. You don't have to, but you need some kind of protein. It could be beans to replace the meat, but some kind of protein, okay? And remember, the more you save, the more you're going to be able to make it with less stress on you. All right, let me taste the chicken and brown rice soup. And this is hot, so I'm not going to hold it in my hand. Very hot. Okay, I have a little bit of it all. Oh, that's good. Try yours. Let me know how you like it. Thumbs up.